Did you find your thumb? And you're not gonna let it go? Did you find your thumb? Yeah? Is it so good? Is it so good? Yeah. Now this is all we do. We keep our thumb in our mouth now. It was 4 months in the making to find this thumb. 4 months.